everyone, what's up? I'm back with a new video. My name is Tima and I wanted to do a little bit of a transformation. I have this 26-inch unit from Beauty Forever Hair. I want to feel better, I guess. So I have on my wig cap over here. It's a very 90s style that I want to do. I want to do like the side swoop bang. Let's go ahead and get started. I just kind of put my hair in the shape that I wanted it to be in. I didn't have to use my hot comb because I already did this a while ago. And yeah, I really didn't have to do much to the baby hairs. I literally just used this foaming thing. Let me zoom out more because I don't think I need to be, you know. Already straightened my hair. This is the best that I could do for this. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put some hair oil. I'm gonna use the Innisfree Camila Essential Hair Oil Serum and just put this all over the hair because it's a lot of hair, guys. This is a 26-inch unit. I just wanna smooth down any flyaways, have like a nice sheen to this. It's a very nice and sleek look. What I'm gonna do now is just do my makeup off camera and then come back to you guys and then talk about this unit because it's really, really nice and it really just looks super natural on my head. I also cut out the comb on top here. I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup so I can finish off the rest of this transformation. Okay, so my makeup might look a little bit questionable, but I wanted to do something really fun for Instagram, so that's why it looks a little bit different. I've been doing the same look over and over again, so I decided why not play with white liner today and stuff, so that's what I'm doing. So it might look a little bit off, but that's okay because I feel like it's worth it. I like to experiment, especially during quarantine, for different looks and stuff, and I think that with this hairstyle, it looks really, really cool. So I kind of wish I had a different brush for this liner that I did right here because the job isn't really that great, but it's fine. For the specs of this hair, I got this from Beauty Forever Hair. They sent this unit to me. This is a 26-inch unit, so you can just imagine after me straightening it how long it is. That's how long this unit is. It's like super, super lengthy. I'm gonna go into the specs of this as well. I think I should stay back here. So basically there's a closure right here. It still goes all the way around, of course, for the lace, but it kind of like stops here. This is where the closure on each end stops. Right around here actually. And it goes all the way to the back here. So you have a lot of parting space still, but that's just to give you guys a little bit of more info on this. And it straightened really, really quickly. So I could see myself wearing this hair straight on most days. It's gonna be $241.45 for all of this hair. It lays down really good. The lace looks honestly awesome. I didn't even put foundation on the part yet or anything, and it still looks flawless. Everything actually laid down very nice with the got to be glued, and I literally didn't even use any bleach on the knots because I don't have the products right now with me. I haven't been able to get to Sally's or any beauty supply store in a minute because obviously we're in lockdown, so I have to order the products to my house, which might take a little while longer. They also sent me a nightcap, which I've been using at night for the past few days, and it's so comfortable, so thank you. I was in need of a new one because I have to wash the one that I already have been using, so thank goodness that they sent me this because I needed it really, really bad. And yeah, I also went in and I plucked a little bit of it on this side and on this side and a little bit in the front here. I think I plucked this over 2 days just to make sure that I got it to my liking as far as how natural it would look. I think I'm gonna take some Instagram pictures now. As far as the shedding goes, there was not a lot of shedding at all. I obviously had to pluck it and stuff, but after a few days of me just running my fingers through it, there's no hair coming out or anything. But in the beginning, if you decide to pluck it, you will get shedding because obviously you're plucking the hairs and stuff. It's just really, really nice. The lace is really soft, which I love. So if you do decide to bleach the knots, I think it would look really, really good, but you don't necessarily need to because I obviously didn't have to do that. If you guys like this video, be sure to go ahead and subscribe. I hope that you guys like it. I'm gonna do a close-up on the makeup. It's very different from what I usually do. It's probably not as like flattering, but I think it would look really cool for a picture. If y'all liked this video, be sure to go ahead and subscribe. I'm gonna put this wig down below as well. Remember, the price is $241.45 for all of this hair. It's super, super cute. And yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye guys.